Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, your one-stop place to improve English in a fun and easy way. In today's video, we're going to practice simple English questions and answers on everyday topics like hometown, hobbies, school, and daily life. These are common topics in English-speaking tests and conversations, so make sure you listen carefully and repeat after me. Speak with me, pause when needed, and try to give your own answers too. The more you practice, the better your English will get. Ready? Let's begin.
How is the weather today? The weather is sunny today. It feels warm and pleasant outside. What kind of weather do you like the most? I like cool weather. It feels fresh and comfortable. Do you enjoy rainy days? Yes, I enjoy rainy days. I like the sound of the rain and the smell of wet soil. How do you feel in hot weather? I feel tired in hot weather. I like to drink cold water and stay indoors. What do you wear in winter? I wear a jacket and warm clothes in winter. It helps me stay comfortable. Do you check the weather forecast? Yes, I check it before going out or traveling. It helps me plan my day. What do you do on cloudy days? I like staying at home and watching movies. It feels cozy and peaceful. Do you like snow? Yes, I like snow because it looks beautiful. I enjoy playing in the snow. How is the weather in your hometown? The weather is usually moderate in my hometown. It is neither too hot nor too cold. Has bad weather ever changed your plans? Yes, heavy rain once changed my travel plan. I stayed home and waited for the weather to improve.
Great job, everyone. You did amazing practice today. Remember, learning English is all about daily speaking. So, try answering these questions about your own life again after this video. You can even comment your answers below. I love reading them. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more English practice videos every week. Keep learning, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next video.